Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your Bitget application. Now, after opening the application, you will see an interface that will look something like this. Here, you'll have to simply click on the assets icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now you will see this overview page where you'll have to simply click on the spot icon just at the right side of this overview. Now, you will see the withdraw option available. Click on withdraw and search for USDT. Now, click on USDT and choose on-chain withdraw. After you do this, you will see this page where you'll have to basically choose your network. So click on network, then choose Toncoin. Here, you'll have to enter your withdrawal address, your memo, withdraw amount and click on the withdraw icon. So I'm entering the withdraw amount to be 500. Now, I will have to enter withdrawal address in this field. So, in order to get this address, we'll navigate to Binance application on your mobile phone, and after navigating to the application, I will see an interface that will look something like this. Here, I'll have to click on the wallet icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now, I will have to click on the deposit icon available just right here. Here, I will search for USDT, then click on it. And make sure in the network section, you choose Toncoin, the same network you chose on Bitget. After choosing the network, you'll have to simply click on the copy button after deposit address and go back to Bitget, then paste this withdrawal address that we copied earlier. After pasting the address, we'll have to simply enter the withdrawal amount, then click on the withdraw option that is available just right here. And when we click on withdraw, the USDT from Bitget will be successfully transferred to Binance. So that is the simple way you can transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. Don't forget to like, subscribe and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.